Filipino. Yakan. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Yakan is an Austronesian language spoken by the Yakan people, primarily on Basilan Island in the southern Philippines. It belongs to the Malayo-Polynesian branch and has around 110 to 130,000 speakers. The language follows a verb, subject, object, or VSO sentence structure and uses affixes for verb conjugation to indicate tense, aspect, and mood. Yakan is traditionally oral but has been written in both the Latin and Arabic scripts due to Islamic influence. While facing challenges from dominant languages like Filipino and English, efforts are being made to preserve Yakan as parts of the region's cultural heritage. Isa, dalawa,
due,
tatlo,
telu,
apat,
ampat,
lima,
lime,
anim,
ennem,
pito,
pitu,
walo,
walu,
siyam,
siyam,
sampu.
sampu.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
O Amma, kausama kami si surgain. Karayaw pinag-addatan nun, we kemon manusyain.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo, dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Karayaw gait tiggel magbaya na kayo si kemon manusia. Karayaw tinuhot kinabayaan nun, tu si dunya sa maluo si surgain.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Urunganon kami kinakan elewinin.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Ampunon me duse kemihin, kwe du isab pangampun kami me makaduse si kemihin.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Patalahon kami ang bansasat, duk eliganon kami ang banikura sa itanin.